Welcome back. Over the last few weeks worth of Dadograms Weekend Reminders, we built a strategy for life. We started with knowing where you're going, then we added knowing where you actually are at any given time, because you need to know where you're starting and you're ending in order to be able to chart a course. Next, we learned that life changes your plans and that your current position shifts the opportunities in front of you, and this happens all the time. Then we learned about the progress wheel, the tool that keeps you adapting and moving forward. Today, we're going to zoom out because strategy isn't just for one goal, one career, or one mission. It's for all of life. Dr. Seuss once wrote a book called My Many Colored Days about emotions. And if I were to write one, I think I'd title it My Many Faceted Me. Why? Because life isn't just about one thing. You're a diamond, and a diamond has many facets. Things that are important in your life might be education, health, family, relationships, finances, ethics, faith, work, fitness, community, and all of these are part of who you are. And here's the reality. You don't get to work on just one thing at a time. You're spinning multiple progress wheels all at once. Remember those progress wheels from last week? Anyway, that's what makes life complicated, but that's also what makes life beautiful. Think about Maslow's hierarchy of needs. It's a simple triangle that says before you can focus on the top things, like personal achievement, college, or career, you have to make sure that you've taken care of the basics first, like air, safety, food, shelter, water, belonging. If those aren't met, you're fighting an uphill battle every step of the way. That's why life strategy has to account for all your facets, not just one. The danger is spreading yourself too thin. If you chase everything at once, you might achieve nothing. That's why you need to prioritize. Pick a few key facets at a time and make sure they support each other. For example, getting fit physically makes you sharper mentally, and that helps you in class or at work. Building good relationships makes you more resilient emotionally. Strengthening your finances frees up time and energy for bigger goals. The facets can work together if you're intentional about it. So the final lesson in one bullet is you must progress in many facets of your life at the same time and focus on the ones that support each other. Now, if you're tuning into this weekend reminder for the first time, you missed a lot in the first 4. However, the best thing you can do to go back and learn how to use strategy in your own life to win is to go back and watch the original version, Dadagram 3, How to Work a Strategy, and learn some of the very best info you'll ever get about how to win in life.